this is so I was able to with this. So now I can go to the PeopleSoft, right? This one I could do, but here
Okay.
I'm getting this one. So 9200, I'm still getting that
Okay.
one, right?
So you just need to change the network host. That's it.
Yeah. The network host or on the host name?
No network. No, no, not here. You have to change the opensearch.yml configuration file.
Okay,
There
so
is
do you
some.
need to change anything yet?
This can be as is. You can
Oh,
like.
no, no, this one we added this one.
Yeah, we added this one to access it using psft.cs.com. That is
Okay,
okay.
keep it.
This will not have any impact. The
Okay,
reason why
I'm
it
gonna
is
keep
not
it.
accessible is because of the wrong configuration.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
okay.
let's go to opensearch.yml.
Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, and change the network.host. Yeah,
So here,
here you can change it to 192 dot whatever the
86%.
IP. Yeah.
Okay. So we don't want this one, yeah?
No, we don't want this one.
Okay. So 192.168.86.30.
Yeah, save it.
Should be alright?
You can, yeah, you can kill the open search. No, you'll have to bounce it. So,
Okay, so there's no, so you need to kill it, yeah? That's how you bounce it
right,
for the open source.
right.
Yeah. Do you have to this open source or anything you need to give?
Open
That's enough?
search. Yeah,
Okay.
you can kill
Kill
that process.
this one.
Yeah,
Is it? Just kill it, yeah?
yep.
Okay.
Now go
So
to bin
there's
directory.
no script there.
There is no script to stop it. There is only script to start the service.
Okay, so
Go to
now it's
bin.
not
Yeah, go to bin directory. Like there is one option where you can configure this as a service so that you can stop that service and start that
mm,
service. That is
okay.
possible. But now we are doing it manually, so we have to kill it and we have to start it using open search -d.
This one?
Yeah, dot slash open search -d.
Yeah.
Enter. Okay, you have to set those environment variables. Do you have those copied somewhere?
Mm,
Okay. Open a new notepad.
no.
This should ideally go in your uh, profile file or bash rc file so that it sets those environment variables automatically.
Mm, do
Open
we set?
Yeah, we set it the last time when we
Yes.
restarted it. Yeah.
Okay.
So type export space java underscore home equal to
The Java
underscore home
underscore home.
equal to you need to get the path of JDK, which was deployed as part of your OpenSearch installation. So
This
go two steps back.
um, maybe I'll get another window. Yeah.
No, that's fine. You can do it from here.
One step back or two steps?
Two steps. ls. So there is this os underscore jdk. Go to that folder.
Okay, now I remember. Oh shit. Sorry.
No, no, you will not be able to. Just type cd space
Series space
hyphen enter. It will take you to the previous directory that you were in.
G
Yeah.
OS.
Copy the path.
Oh, this one. Oh, so this is the path.
Yep.
Okay.
Copy this and put it in your notepad. So that's your Java underscore home.
Okay.
Enter. Enter. We also have to set the path. So export path equal to dollar Java home slash bin colon dollar path capital path.
Dollar.
Yeah. Execute these commands.
Okay. So we got this one.
You can copy both and paste it in one go.
Okay.
Enter.
Okay.
Go to the
Now.
bin directory now. Go one step back and go to open search bin.
Okay. This one then open.
Now execute open search hyphen d.
This one, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. That is okay.
That's
So
okay. Super.
yeah, go to the browser and validate once again.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we are going to configure this in
So now
PeopleSoft.
we are at where we left the
Correct.
2 days back. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Good.
Go to PeopleSoft.
You mean here?
Yeah, your application,
Okay.
and go to People Tools Search Framework.
What's that framework?
Search Framework,
Okay.
and click on Search Admin Activity Guide.
Search admin activity guide.
Yeah. So activity guides are something which will take you through all the steps in one screen. So, say for example, for setting up
Mm.
global search, you need 10 steps, and you'll have to remember all the navigations, right? Like your IB related navigations, search related navigations, from where to index, all those navigations you'll have to remember to set this whole thing up. Activity guides solves this problem by giving you all the navigations on the left side, and you can go step by step. Like you can complete the transaction for the first navigation, go to the next
Mm.
step, complete it, go to the next step, something like this. So on your left, you see all the steps which are
Okay.
required for
Okay.
search framework to be set up,
Okay.
right? So the first step is to set up your local nodes. So this would already be there in place, but let's just verify it. Click on search.
Here without putting anything.
Without putting anything. And what's your local node? It should be psft underscore sa or something. Click on default local node heading.
Here.
Yeah, yes. Click on it once again. Yeah. So it is PSFT underscore CS. That's your default local node. Click on that.
Sorry, how did we get this PS safety CS? Did we enter it somehow or was there?
Oh no, we sorted it.
No, no, no.
Sorted it.
How did we create this local node?
This
Did we create?
is this is something which comes by default. So for campus solutions application, it is PSFT underscore CS. For
Oh,
finance application, it is PSFT underscore EP. For
okay,
HR,
okay,
it is
okay.
for HR.
Oh, this is the integration node for the integration
Yes,
gateway.
right.
Okay,
This
okay.
is the local node, and every application has only one default local node. So you can have
Yeah.
more local nodes, but you cannot have more than one default local nodes. So default can be set, only one node can be set as default, which is PSFT underscore CS in your case.
Okay.
Let's go to connectors, second page, and click on ping node. If this
Success.
is success, we are good. We can go to the next step.
This return or enter the same thing?
Yeah, you can click on return
Okay, okay.
and click on mark complete on your top right.
Top here.
Yeah, click on
So
that.
what is this like a checklist?
Yes,
Checkbox?
correct. Right. And
Mm.
click on next.
Okay, so now you went to the next one. Let's from 0 to 1.
Right.
So there are 21 steps.
Right.
Okay, so then we go to the IB gateway
No, you can click on next button on your top right. There
or
is a
this.
next button. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
use that to go to the next step.
it's the same thing, yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
But it will guide you to the in a better way. Okay, now again search.
Search. Right. So there is only one gateway which is defined with gateway ID local. You can have multiple gateways. So say you are integrating with your HR application. So you would have one entry for HR's gateway as well. So here we are not, here we are having only one gateway, which is our own gateway, like our web server. So right now it is configured with localhost.local domain, which is not a valid IP address for the outside world, right? So if you click on ping gateway, there is a button just next to the URL. Click there. So it is going to check if this URL is up or not. So
Mm.
here it will report us down because this is not a valid DNS for your Windows machine. So
Yeah.
let's change it to a valid IP address which is identified by all. Let's change it to 192.168.86.30. Save this.
Before paying, you will save it, yeah.
Yeah. Save it, and it says your gateway URL has changed. Existing connector information will be erased. So do you
Click this
attempt to?
detected.
Yeah. Click OK. It is going to load all the connectors once again.
Okay,
So it
okay.
says 12 connectors are loaded. Click OK.
Ping again.
Now click on ping gateway. Yeah. So this is the message you are looking for when you want to make sure that your gateway
Okay,
is up.
I understand. Okay.
Click on integration gateway, and if you click on gateway setup properties, click on gateway setup properties link
Where's that?
just below the URL.
Below the.
No, the gateway URL. Just
Okay,
below
this
the
one.
gateway is a link,
Oh,
gateway
this one.
setup. Yeah. So here it is going to tell you your gateway web server is connected. By default, it will connect to which app server, right? So uh, your app server's Jolt port is going to come here, which is 9033 in our case. And this can be localhost.local domain because this particular transaction is going to happen only between web server to app server.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
is not for the outside world. So This can stay localhost.local domain because they are on the same machine and they identify what localhost is, right? So
Okay.
this is fine. You can click on ping node to see if this is working. So we've just tested it in the last step. So it is the same thing. So your
Okay.
node is working fine. Click OK.
We don't go to this. Don't worry.
If you go to advanced properties, it will show you the raw file, like the
Okay.
text file, where you can go and edit some parameters which are not available here.
Okay.
I'll show you one thing there. Click on gateway setup properties once again.
It is a properties. So every time you need to go, you need to give the password. You ready?
Correct, because that's something sensitive. So even
Uh,
if you have access to this page, does not mean you can change the application
um,
server of your integration.
okay.
So now click on advanced properties page.
Mm,
Link with below PeopleSoft nodes. There's a link just above
yeah.
OK button. Yeah. Click there. So this is the raw file that is called integration gateway.properties. Here, if you search log fence, search for log fence.
How do I search?
Just do just do Control F.
Okay. Oh, normal control. Yeah. Okay.
Log log level or log fence something. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. Logging section. Scroll down in the text
Myself.
file. There is a
And
logging
now in log
section.
only log.
Yeah. Scroll down a
There are more.
little more. Yeah. Wait. Um. No. Wait. Scroll up a
Sorry.
little.
Okay. So I can make it bigger.
Yeah, you can.
Oh no.
You cannot. Okay.
Yes, you can.
Yeah. S- Scroll up a little. Yeah. So here you can see where your log files are written. It is psigw.war inside your web server domain. There is a war file called psigw.war, right?
Yes.
Inside
Yes.
that, webinf error log.html. So if any of your integration has failed, any error that you have seen in your integration, you can find that log in this file. Scroll up a little. You can click, yeah. So here there is something called message log.html. Now this file is not written by default because this file is going to contain not just the error message but your success messages as well. And
Okay.
this is not what you need on a day-to-day basis. This is needed only when you want to debug a very particular issues, and
Mm.
during that time you would increase the log level and enable logging for this message log.html. So there is one parameter log level or something which, scroll up a little, scroll
This
more.
is the level. This is log level.
Yeah, so ig.log level equal to 2 it
Two.
is. If you want to enable message logs,
Okay.
then
So
you
log all
want,
errors. Okay. So this is the log all errors and warning.
right,
So if you want to go more, log errors, warning, important, and standard low information.
right. So if you increase it to 5, it is going to write uh, your message log.html, and in that as well, you would find headers, cookies, whatever was set during that request, all the low level information will also be available.
Okay. So this is only for the integration on the application server. Yeah.
This file resides on your web server.
Yeah.
This is the gateway file. So
Gateway file.
what, yeah, whatever is configured on the gateway, right? Because all your requests would go from gateway. Now, if some third party is not reachable, your gateway is the one who will know that it's not reachable. So it
No,
can
no.
log that.
So my question was, so there's only one file, one parameter that we need to define. So that will dictate the entire logging in within the integration gateway. So it's not only We cannot just isolate, say we want to only have a logging for that particular service. You can't do that.
I don't think that is possible.
That is possible?
No,
Okay.
it is not possible.
It's not possible. Okay, so this is either you have logging or you don't have logging. That's it. For the
Correct.
entire service.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. And by default, it always logs errors and warnings because it is
Mm,
set to true. So
mm,
if any service operation is failing, you will have that information in the
mm,
logs. But say there are particular scenarios where your service operation is not behaving the way you want it to. In that case, you increase the logging level in non-production, test for that only service operation, and then you would like debug that issue.
mm.
So yeah. So there is one more parameter here, key store. Search for key store. Yeah. So if you see, there is something called secure file key store password.
Yeah, secure file.
This is
Okay.
commented. This is commented below, two lines below it. Yeah. So key store password. If you change your key store password, gateway web server's key store password by any chance, you'll have to update it here. Otherwise, your integrations will be affected.
How do you remember all this?
By experience.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna make a note. Not now,
yeah,
later.
and
Yeah.
if something is not working, it will clearly call out in the logs. So it will say that this key store. There would be some error related to key store in your PIA WebLogic file. So from there
Mm,
also you can know if something is disturbed on the key store level.
okay.
Yeah, and there are other parameters as well which are not so often changed. But if there is any requirement where you need to tweak any parameter in integration gateway.properties, you can do it from here. And one more thing, if you have more than one gateway web servers, then you need to make sure that these files are synced over all your domains.
So sorry,
So
you said gateway service. We're talking about WebLogic, yeah, not the gateway, web gateway.
yeah, we are talking about WebLogic, correct? And the one which you're referring is only WebGate. It's not
Mm,
WebGate. So that's a different thing that is only used to integrate with OM.
yeah. Okay. Mm, gotcha.
Yeah, you can close this file. So this, while we are doing search framework, we are also covering some part of integration broker. So this is all
Yeah.
part of integration broker. So the
Okay.
prerequisite for search framework to work is your IB should be set up correctly.
Okay.
Click OK. Because at the end of the day, it is an external party with which you are going to integrate, right? OpenSearch is an external application,
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. So that makes sense. Yeah.
right? Click on
Okay. There's
next.
no mark to complete. You just go to next.
Yeah, next.
There's no mark
Yeah,
complete.
right. That mark complete button is only on the first page. After that, there is no mark complete.
Okay. So go next.
Next.
Okay.
Yeah, set up target location. So this will define how others are going to call your service, right? Like what, uh, like whatever you share with the third party, that should match with these setup target locations. Click on that link. There is a link ne- in the middle. Yeah, click there.
This one.
Yes, and change that to 19. Change
This one.
localhost to the IP address. Yeah,
This IP address keeps changing. So every time I change.
yeah, correct. I mean,
Oh my God.
You'll have to.
I will not keep my 68, 86, 3.
For my VM, it has never changed. I don't know why. But like every time I start my VM, it assigns the same IP address.
Really? Okay. So we do. Do you want to update? So yes,
Yes, click yes,
yes. Now we got to hear
and
this also, right?
as well.
Maybe I'll just copy this.
Yeah. And in PeopleSoft, you can have web services of different types. So you can have RESTful web services, you can have SOAP-based web services, right? So for your RESTful web services, you will share a different URL. So your REST target location, that is the URL that you would use for your REST-based web services.
Okay, so you have to give this to the third party. IP address. This URL.
This URL has to be shared. Now it
With
would
the
be,
third party. So you
yeah, with
ask
the
them like if you're using REST, we give you this. If you're just using a web service HTTP, we give this one.
right. So this is just the base URL. Now, depending on your service operation, this URL will be appended with something. So your service operation will come after your node name, psft underscore cs. So there
Yeah,
would be slash and then your service operation name dot version 1, 2, 3,
yeah,
something like that.
yeah.
But
All
this,
locally defined.
this URL will not change. The
Yeah.
URL will remain static till this node name.
Okay.
Click OK, save.
Hmm. So this will remain same. This is Excel minus Oracle.com.
You don't want to, yeah, you
This
don't
will
need
not change.
to change.
Okay.
Click on save.
Okay. Okay. Good. If you don't save, press next. Will not save.
It will ask you if you want to save or not.
Oh, it is? Okay. Okay.
So here, this is a common warning message. You can click OK and we can proceed. Click next.
Search.
Search instance. Now we have reached the actual search, our open search configuration. Click on search. Click on
Okay.
add new value. Search instance name can be given anything. You can give open search in capital.
Here. Oh, you mean capital?
Yep. Click on add.
So instance is not a number. It's just like a text as well.
Correct. Instance is in your open search environment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Add.
Now here you're going to register all your information related to open search. So the open search where it is installed, that host name would come there. Give that host name, which would be your IP address in that case, 192.168.86.30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ping, of course, will work.
If you ping, it will not work because you've not given the port.
Yeah. Okay.
You need to give all the information and then save it, and then
What
we
is
can
nine
test it.
zero 9200?
9200.
9200. 99200.
We have
Okay.
not enabled SSL yet, so we are going to
Okay.
keep it
Double
as
see
is. Username would be OS admin. Spelling,
that. With OS admin, yeah?
yeah, OS admin.
Admin.
Yeah. Proxy name would be people.
PEOPL. Okay. This is the open source people. It's not the other people, yeah?
Right. Correct. Yeah. Scroll down. We have not configured open search dashboard, so that can be blank. Logstash also can be blank. Callback properties. This is important. So change the host name and the port. That would be your, this is related to your gateway, right? So you have to give your web server's host name and port. So
Where do
that
you
would
get
be
that?
one IP. This
IP address?
IP address 8000. Yeah, whatever you see in the URL.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. Port should be 8000.
So this is basically this one, yeah?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
And this is also same as your service configuration that we've just done, the setup target location, right? So we had defined two URLs, one for the SOAP services and one for REST services. This
Yeah.
URL is that.
And what is the
Username would
target?
be username would be your PeopleSoft user, which is PS.
And the PS?
Yeah, PS password. You can select that. And
No. No.
yeah, yeah, please remove that from there. It was auto filled, I guess. From logstash port. No, from logstash port, just remove it. Remove the value. Yeah. There you can give PS and confirm password. I don't think you can copy paste.
Okay. So this is
Left.
VCS 92 U 123. Okay. Okay. System
Save
view.
it.
No, no, no. No,
Oh,
it's wrong here. Double two there. Well done.
no, save it first.
Wait, how do you save it? Here?
Yeah. Now click on ping.
This one?
Yep. So this is the
Okay.
expected result.
Yeah.
If it does
And
not give you the version number, it would give you some error,
yeah.
which
And we
means
test
it was
login
not
here.
a test login.
Success. Proxy
Proxy
login.
login.
So this is also test proxy login, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So every step you get things like that to check. Validate.
Yeah, validate. Yeah. Click on show all. There is a checkbox called show all. Click on that on the top.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is
Okay.
the list of validations that it has done.
Mm.
Any one of these is incorrect, and
Mm.
mostly the domain status is the culprit. If your domain status is not active,
Mm.
this is going to fail.
Mm.
So
And
your
this one
IP
did
should be,
check here.
yeah.
Okay. Return.
Click
Okay.
on return and save it.
Do I have to save again?
Okay, it was saved, right? Yeah, no need.
Yeah, but
You can
it's
go
better
to
to
the
save
next
it once
step.
again. Anyway. Okay, next. Okay.
Here you
Um.
don't need to disturb anything. You can click next.
Oh, we don't want to touch here. Okay.
Yeah, next. Most of the things now we are not going to touch. This also can be left as is.
Mm.
This defines the parameters used for indexing. So there is something called number of shards. Number of shards, the first parameter, number of shards.
Mm.
Number of shards is like how your data, how your index is going to be divided. So it is going to be divided into five parts. So that's
Mm.
what shards are. Then how many replicas should be there of those shards? That is number of replicas, and it should always be less than the number of nodes that you have. So currently you have only one node, so this should be less than zero, right? Because if you change it to like you don't want to replicate it basically. When you
Okay.
increase the number of nodes, you can increase this value for high availability.
Mm.
Scroll down to the bottom. Yeah. So there is something called, where is that? It is full direct transfer. If you see, like in the middle, you have full direct transfer, which is enabled by default, which means that your process scheduler can directly reach out to OpenSearch, call its APIs, and index the data. If this is no, everything has to go through your gateway,
Mm.
right? So these parameters are here. Click next. There is only one search instance, so this is not
Yeah.
applicable. I mean, you can set the priorities. If you have more than one search instance, you can set the failover basically. The search instance user, if you don't want to enable it for all the users at once,
Mm.
you can restrict it for some users. Like if you're doing open search setup for the first time and you don't want to release it for a wider audience, you can
Uh,
just enable it for 4 or 5 users and test it. If everything works fine, you can delete that those
okay.
user IDs from here. So
Okay.
this
So if you
should be
don't
blank.
include here, so it'll be open for everybody.
Right, correct. Click next. Yeah, so this is for deploying the search definition. So before you index the data, you have to send skeleton of your search definition, like the structure of your search definition, what all fields are there, what is the name of the search definition, which would then become the index name in OpenSearch. So the first step is to send the skeleton, the structure of search definition. Next step is to index the actual data, the rows that you have. So this page is just for deploying the structure to OpenSearch, just for transferring the structure of the search definition to OpenSearch. And
Mm.
we are going to do that for 3 search definitions. Uh, re- so number 6, 7, and 3. Yeah. So third one is PT portal registry, which is basically it it has all the navigations which are there in your application.
Mm.
So you want to search the navigations in your global search. So you'll have to. This is the mandatory one. If you want to search the navigations, you have to
Mm.
index the registry. Next is recent menu. So recently visited items. If you want to index, then that can be selected. And the last one is recent KW, which is recent keyword. So if you want to index the keywords that user has searched, that can also be indexed. Click on deploy. So deploy is going to send that structure of these search definitions, yeah, to OpenSearch. So as soon as you click on deploy, this deploy status will change from undeployed to deployed,
Mm. So the one
right?
three
And
that we selected now, they're deployed.
right. So
Mm.
what it means by deployed is it has transferred the structure of these search definitions to OpenSearch. Right, so the next column is crawl status. So crawl status is nothing but it will tell you if your data is indexed or not. So currently it says not crawled, which means there is no data in this, like you've never indexed any data from PeopleSoft to OpenSearch for this particular search definition. So like this is the only thing that we need to do on this page. We can deploy, undeploy. You can report the sync issues. So
Okay.
you feel that your data is
Yeah.
out of sync.
Mm.
And report issues. It will let you undeploy and delete the data. So click on next. Yeah, it will go. Yeah. So schedule search index is the actual transfer that you do from PeopleSoft to OpenSearch. So this is the existing run control ID, right? We don't want this. We want to add a new run control ID for our search definitions, because once this run control ID
Yeah.
is created, you cannot modify it. Click on add.
Okay. This is add node. This is add node.
Yeah.
Is this one?
Okay. Click on that. Click on add
Yeah.
button. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Give the run control ID. PT portal registry.
TRY.
Now
Okay.
here you need to select the search definition, click on that lookup,
Here?
not here,
No.
yeah,
Here?
search definition. So you've deployed only three, that's why only three are visible here. Select the
Okay.
first
Those.
one.
Right. Okay. Okay. Okay, so click one. This one. You
Now
can select one.
you can
Looks like you can
you can
select only one.
yeah, you can only select one per run control ID.
Ah. Okay.
Now you can either go with full index, which is basically it will delete any existing data and index all the data again. That is full index. Incremental index is when there is no data, it will do full index first, but
Hmm.
from the next time, it is only going to index the incremental data.
Okay.
So we are going to select full index,
Hmm.
and if you have more than one language, say you have
Yeah.
enabled Chinese or any other language, you can go with all languages. It is going to index
Hmm.
the documents, the navigations in all the languages. But for us, it is only one language, English. So we can
Okay.
let it be as is. So that's all. You can click on run.
How you run here?
Click on
It's
run.
have happened? Okay. Saved.
Now, here, if you see, there is process name, which is PTSF Gen feed that we were talking about a day or two earlier. So
Okay.
PTSF Gen feed is the app engine
Hmm.
which is used to index the data. So does not matter which search definition you choose, this process name is going to be the same.
Okay.
Click OK.
Okay. So it's a reset to the current date.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's like if you want to run it in future, for example, you can
Uh,
select a future time or future date. But if
okay.
you want to revert it, you can click on that reset button.
And here, if you look at that, I can see the process number.
Yeah, you can select the server name. If you don't select, that is also fine. It will. We only have one scheduler, so it is going to go there only.
Okay. So you can run from one scheduler or another scheduler. Dedicate
Yeah,
them.
you can select. If there are multiple schedulers, you can select where to run. But
Okay.
this option is also not available to everybody. Not everybody can select the server name. Like mostly the users are not allowed to select the server name. They would just click on OK.
Okay. Okay. Save it.
Now, no, that is already saved. So
Okay.
can you click on the, no,
Oh,
not,
sorry.
okay. Click on schedule search index once again on the left pane, on the left
Schedule
side, left pane.
here.
Yeah, click on that schedule search index once again. Yeah, now because we have to run it for the other two search definitions as well. So we have run it for one. We are now
Okay.
going to run it for the other ones. So run control ID, you can click on add new value,
Okay.
give PT recent menu, PT recent menu, add.
Can you do an underscore like this or not? Doesn't matter,
You
yeah?
can, it does not matter. You can give anything here.
Okay.
Click on add, click
Full
on search
index.
definition
Yeah.
and select recent menu and click on run
Okay.
and click on OK.
Okay. So we can you can select. Doesn't matter. Okay. So we have to add. We can add another one without going there. Eh?
Yeah, yeah, correct. You can add another one.
So this is what is that the
P-
job
PT recent keyword. PT recent KW.
KW.
Yeah. Add and select full index, search definition, click on
Yeah,
run, click on OK.
yeah. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Click now. Click on next.
Mm.
So right now on your header, there is no search box, right, for you to search. So
Here
as
on
soon
top,
as, yeah,
you'll
here
get
on top,
the here.
yeah, you'll get it here. So as
Okay.
soon as this PT portal registry is indexed, you that search box will start appearing there. Like you'll have to
Mhm.
log out and log in back again.
Okay.
So we will complete these steps and then we will log out and
Okay.
click on
Yeah.
next. Domain status, it is already active. So domain status will tell you on which app server your IB processes are up. So there was something called pub sub servers, if you remember, in the
Yes.
quick configuration, pub sub
Yeah.
servers. So on whichever server that is enabled, uh, is a candidate for integration engine, right? So those
Mm.
candidates appear here, and you can only keep one active domain. So right now we just have one domain, app dom, but if you have multiple,
Mm.
you have to make sure that only one is active at a time,
Mm.
right?
What
So
is this grace period for all domains?
grace period for all domains, no, I don't know what that is.
That's all right.
Maybe it is recently introduced, I don't know.
Mm. Mm.
But from here you can set up the failover and other stuff. If you go to setup failover. So you need at least two domains
Yeah.
uh, to enable failover. There is a checkbox, enable failover. Check that button. Yeah.
And
So
you'll
right
add.
now, yeah, right now you just have one domain.
Yeah.
So it is showing only one, but you can, if you have multiple domains, multiple entries will come here, and then you can decide which domains are part of a group. So say for
Sure.
example, you have six domains and you want to group two domains. So you can give
Mm.
the first column here, this failover group. Do you see
Mm.
failover groups in domains? In domains, this, what do you say, yeah, failover group. That if there are six domains and you want to group them in three, you can give one for two domains, then two for other two, and three for other two. So there would be three groups with two domains each, and then failover priority you can give one, two, three, four, five, six.
Yeah.
Yeah. So uncheck that, uncheck that enable failover, and you, or you can click next. We are done with this page. We don't need to do anything here.
You can email people.
Email is like when your domain fails,
Yeah.
should it trigger any email
Right.
that can be
Notify.
set here.
Okay. Gotcha.
Click next. Yeah. Here, click next. Nothing to do here. Click next. 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 Here you can test if your search setup is correct or not. So
Mm.
click on ping test. Click on step one ping test. So it says success. Now click on deploy. It will try to deploy a temporary search definition. So it has. Deploy complete. Click on crawl. That is going to index one document to your newly created definition.
Did it happen? Or it's doing
No, it
still
is
work?
processing. Yeah, so crawl completed and click on search. That should return one document.
So this is testing now, right?
This is testing.
Okay.
And if you scroll down in the results,
Where?
scroll down in the results box, test log box.
Oh,
No, no,
here.
inside the box. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's search
Okay.
one results. Click on
Hmm.
cleanup.
So
That
this
is
is
going to
basically
delete.
clearing the screen here.
Right. Not just the screen, the document
What's
that
it?
it has created, the index that it has created, it will clear everything.
Hmm.
Click on next. Click on next. Okay, that's it. That's the end of
So
this.
why? You see, test progress is only three. We got 21 finished.
Yeah,
So it's even move there.
looks like a bug. In search instance, it is stuck. If you see search instance, that is
Yeah.
still showing in progress. Click on search instance. Let's see what the problem is. Click on search and click on open search interact. Click on
Open.
open search interact link. The
Where?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
here.
below. Yeah. Select the service type, search, and search category PT portal registry, and click on submit. Submit button on the right side. Yeah. Okay, so it has given you the results. Yeah. So data is indexed. Click on return. Go below and save it.
Save it. Finish.
Yeah. Click on next button. It has still not marked it as complete. I don't know what the problem is, but that's okay. We've completed all the steps.
Okay.
Yeah, we can now log out and log back in.
Even this can you refresh or no?
No, no, refresh will not work. You'll have to log out and log in back.
Okay, let me try anyway. Oh, you need to log it out like from here.
Yeah,
From here?
the three dots.
This one?
Yeah,
Oh, you're talking about this one.
yeah,
Okay. Ah, right. So this is the Elasticsearch. Open search.
right. Open search. Correct. You can search for some term.
What it's so powerful?
Yeah, you search it.
Search what?
Search for something, anything, process or user or any navigation that you want to navigate to, or maybe
It's just
integration.
like a Google even.
Yeah.
It's okay. How to add.
No, no, no. It
This
is.
is what I'm saying. What do
It
you want to
is.
do?
It should match with something
Exactly. So
like,
whatever is there, right? So say user
yeah,
profile.
whatever is. Yeah, user profiles.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is not that smart, right? Not like Google.
It is not that smart. You can make it a bit smarter by adding something called synonyms. So
Uh,
say when you uh, how do I say? Okay, when you search for query, so it shows me all these results, right? And
mm,
if I want to show the results for report as well, when someone searches for query, it should also show the results for report. That is where you can add synonyms, you know.
mm.
So there is a file where you can define the synonyms. So based on that file, it will return you the result.
Mm.
right? So, for example, you've used some shortcut for your organization,
Yeah.
right? So, say ABC, and it stands for something.
Yeah.
Uh, so you can add those kind of synonyms.
You can add the shortcuts here as well.
Yeah, correct.
Oh,
Right.
that's a good.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
so that can be done.
Like for instance, like it's in the student, they might just say like enrollment.
Yeah.
Oh, enrollment is already there. Ah. Oh, enrollment
Yeah. So
certificates and all that. Okay.
any anything that matches with your string
Yeah.
will be shown.
Okay. So if I just say enrollment certification, for instance. Hmm. I don't know. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So this is basically like it helps you in navigation. Yeah.
Yeah, and depending on your indexing, so there are indexes for other definitions as well. Can you go back to, okay, can you search for deploy? Deploy search. Search for deploy search. Yeah, the first result.
Yeah.
Deploy search objects. So there, if you see, there are some items which are related to your application.
Yeah. Okay. So we selected these three before. So okay, we can understand now. Okay. So even this gives you help on open source. Hmm.
So yeah, if you want to index other stuff, that can also be indexed and that can also be searched from the same box.
Hmm. Okay, understood. Okay, that clarifies the my query about this open source. I wasn't sure what open source was doing.
Right.
I'm not sure if this open source is. I know there's Elasticsearch, but we don't see this menu.
So are they using Elasticsearch or OpenSearch?
Yes, yes.
So they might not have indexed these documents, indexed these.
No, I can't even see the menu. The searching menu is not there.
It's not there because you might not have deployed your PT portal registry. That is the prerequisite. Or maybe it is
Mm.
enabled for specific users. So you can
Okay,
check all the configuration.
maybe only for like certain users only.
Yeah, so you can go to search admin activity guide and see the configuration.
Okay. So that's another question I need to ask, right? Activity guide in the list that
Yeah.
this one. So what did you say? What is that called? Activity?
No, activity guide is the navigation from where you can configure it. You
No, no,
just need to ask,
role. Well, do we
like,
have that?
you need to ask him if global search is enabled or not.
No, 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 no. Okay, okay.
And if you have Elasticsearch, what it is used for. If
Mm,
not global search, what it is used for.
mm. So why Elasticsearch?
Yeah.
Okay. And also the you we said the roles document, right? Do we have it here?
Which one?
Like about the roles and privileges.
Roles and privileges? No, I did not get you.
Like for every user has got the roles and all that. Roles, privileges, permit and all that.
Uh-huh.
So
Are you
he,
ref are you referring to the RBAC list?
what is that
There
called?
is some
Yes, I think
RBAC.
yeah.
RBAC.
What is that?
Role-based access control.
Correct. Role.
Role-based access control.
Okay, so it was not here, right? Okay,
Yeah.
all right, good. So I need to just get some questions ready for you. All right, sorry for the distraction. Okay, that's good. So this open search, now you can see now is working now, yeah? That's good.
Yeah, so now we need to extend its functionality a bit by enabling real-time indexing. So you want to see the recently visited items on top, right? Let's first go to process monitor and check if those processes have gone to success.
This
Search
this
for
this is the one.
process.
This is the recently visited one. This one?
Yeah, that is the page, but while you're searching something, anything related to your recently visited item should come first. Like whatever
Oh,
you access
understand.
frequently.
Hmm.
So the suggestions should be tailored to your user ID, like your history. So let's search for process monitor. No, not from here. Now you can use search.
Oh, okay. Press manager.
Yeah,
Okay, so just
yeah,
take you straight into the press manager.
yeah. So go to logs of portal registry. Click on details. Click on
Where?
details for PD portal registry.
PT portal is this one.
Yeah, and click on view log trace.
Mhm.
View log trace. The last link in actions. Last link. Click on std out file. In the file list, the first file.
File list.
Yeah,
This one.
this one. Yeah. Okay. Can you please correct this URL in your report node as well? Go to your report node and change it.
In here.
Yeah. First, close this window.
Okay, so you
Close
can't
this.
search while this is on.
Right. Yes.
Okay, now you can't do it. Okay, the while pop-up is there. So it's a report node.
Report node. Right. The first result. Process scheduler report nodes.
Mm-hmm.
Click on search. Change that URL ID. Change it to the IP address.
This also.
No, this is not needed. That's for
Oh,
internal purpose. Your
okay.
process scheduler is going to use that. That should be fine. Yeah. Now go back to process monitor. Click on details, view log trace, and click on first file.
Okay.
There you see how many documents were indexed, right? So total documents indexed, last third line,
Mm.
9766.
That's a lot.
That's not a lot. I mean, for a for an application like PeopleSoft, 10,000 navigations is not a lot.
Is
Like
it?
it covers all your modules and every
What,
setup
what
page.
kind of what kind of documents are we talking about here?
These are the navigations. Uh, so if you go and okay, go to search instance, we will see the raw document. What what is indexed? Click on yeah, close these and go to search instance. Define search instances. No, no, no. You had you had searched correctly. I was talking about the navigation that you need to click on. You can
Search
search for search instance, and you would see define search instances. The
this one.
first one,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
is
So
there.
even though you have a search instance, it will get the first whatever words in that. Okay.
Yeah. Now click on open search interact
Open search.
link in the middle,
Yes.
of your screen. Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
Click there and click on search. Select search there and search category PT portal registry and click on submit. So I was talking about the API call, right? So the
Mm.
URL that you see is the API URL. So
Mm.
using that URL, it is going to fetch all the details from Elasticsearch. Now, if you see the hits, there is an array called hits.
Sorry.
Yep.
Search.
Yep. Yeah. No, no, no. Scroll up to the top.
Yeah.
Now stay there, and there is something called hits after max score. Max score, and then there is hits in the middle of the search result.
I score.
Yeah,
Hits.
yeah, hits. Yeah, from there, the actual results have started. So this is the first document, right? So it
Okay.
is the navigation for something called PSPTP, PTTST maintenance. So there would be some description as well. Scroll like line by line. Use your arrow key, down arrow key, and scroll slowly, and it tells you who is authorized to view this. So this sec type, portal sec type is there, right? Which has this PTPT 3400, S admin, PT demo.
Mm. But, but here.
No, no, no. Don't scroll. Don't scroll. Go up. Go up.
Okay.
Go up. Yes, stay there.
Admin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
PD
The
demo.
security
Okay.
type. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So
Oh, this one. Yeah. Mm.
it will define everything. Who should see this result? Depending on the security, it will show you the search results, right?
Mm.
So, like the person who does not have access to process monitor, even if he searches for process monitor, he will not get the result,
Mm.
right? So this is one document. This is document for one navigation, and there are 10,000 such documents, right? It has all your this image URL. Image URL is the icon that it needs to show. Then
Mm.
description, create a test maintenance report. That is the description that you see just when you search the navigation, just below process monitor, you see some line. That is the description. So it
Okay.
stores all this information, and this information was sent by PeopleSoft. So in
Mm.
PeopleSoft, it is stored as rows, right? In some tables, maybe
Mm.
multiple tables, but then they were converted into JSON format, and that was sent to Elasticsearch. And
Mm.
PeopleSoft told Elasticsearch to store it under an index, which is this PT portal registry underscore CS92U033, which is
Mm-hmm.
visible in your API call. That is the index name.
Okay. Mm.
So
So can if I uh, current press this one, like give it to somebody, can they find this?
you like it was possible earlier, but
Mm.
recently they've blocked all the access from outside. Like if you had,
Or is it?
if in the earlier version you could just copy this URL and paste it in your browser
Now you
in a
can.
new tab, and now you cannot. But try doing it now. Go to, yeah, paste it, enter.
Status
Okay,
500.
so no, let's like you can still search. I mean, you can
Yeah.
still do some API calls related to health check and all of that, but not
Mm.
the actual data. So
Exactly.
earlier it was possible, but now it is not possible.
But 500 means there's some internal server
Server
error, right?
error,
So
right?
yeah. So doesn't matter. Okay.
And if you like select the service type, uh, click on the drop down service type, the first
Okay.
one, yeah,
Yeah.
and click on mapping. Click on mapping and click on submit.
Just a minute. We don't need to give this one.
You can select anyone and click on submit.
Okay, sorry. Wait,
Yeah.
it's just
So
okay.
yeah. So here, this mapping is the structure, the skeleton of this search definition. So when you
Mm.
click on deploy, this is what is sent to your. Okay, can you select the search definition and click search? This is not the updated one. Select the search definition.
Yeah. Which one?
Anyone, anyone,
Okay.
and click on submit. Yeah. So this is the mapping which is sent to
Yeah.
to OpenSearch when you click on deploy. So if you
Mm.
scroll down, it will have details of all the columns that it is going to send.
Mm.
So it is going to send description, language,
Yes.
a last
Okay.
modified time, navigation path, most recently user ID.
It doesn't tell you. It's everything is in JSON, so there's nothing reference to the table. Yeah.
No, there is no reference to the table. Now I'll show you what is the basis of this data. I mean,
Okay.
what it refers to in PeopleSoft to create
Mm.
this data. Close this and search for search definition. In your search box, search for search definition. Yeah. The first one, define search definitions. Now search for PT portal registry.
No. PT. Can I just put? Okay. Okay. I'll give you that. Okay.
Click on
Sure.
search.
Do we don't need to do this one? Just to
No, no,
search.
you don't need. Just search.
It's already got some.
Click OK. That is fine. This is read only. So this is where you define what should be sent, like what should be converted into JSON. So if you go to search attribute, second page,
The map search attribute. Yeah.
yeah, it will
Mm.
show you all the fields in PeopleSoft that are going to be sent to OpenSearch. Right? Scroll down
So, but it doesn't
and
still tell you the table. It just tell you the field name. That's it.
yeah, and it will tell you how it is getting this data. If you go to general tab once again. So there is source type and source name, right?
Where? Oh, this one.
First thing, yeah. So click on view, click on OK. So this is what it is running to get this data. Click on this PT portal registry, the
Yeah.
first, yeah, first item. Click on view query, click on view query button, click on OK. Yeah, click on view SQL,
Where? Oh, is this one?
view SQL page, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. So this
Mm.
is one of the sequels. Now this is not the source type is not query. The source
No,
type is connected query. Connected query means there are multiple queries that are running and it is joining on some conditions. So
this is
this
a
is the
view.
first.
It's a view.
Yeah,
It's not
this
a
is kind
table,
of a view.
right?
Correct.
Uh, and if you look at the edit query properties, oh, what is this?
So this is all related to PS query.
Okay.
Uh, So click on cancel,
Mm.
return to connected query.
Okay.
Now uh, click on return to search definition
Return to.
at the bottom. Yeah. So this is the source of the data, and what it should show in the search results is defined below, just below source information. Search result field mapping. So it should show you the title. So click on the search box once. Click on the search box.
Which server?
Like search in menu,
Oh,
the
yeah.
top one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here, if you see, there is a heading and there is some description, right, for each
Mm.
item.
Yes.
Now, this is defined by this. So if you see search result field mapping on the page, click back on the page. No, no, click on the page. Click on the
Oh,
blank
okay.
area on the
Okay. Sorry.
page.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. If you see the search result field mapping, the first one is title. So in title, what should it show? It should show the portal label, right?
Okay.
Whatever it gets, the portal label should be shown
Hmm.
as title, and in
Hmm.
summary it should show description 254. That's the field name. So whatever is returned in that field, that should be shown in the summary.
Okay.
Okay, so
Hmm.
everything is defined in search definition.
Hmm.
You can go to attachment properties. That is applicable only when you are storing attachments in OpenSearch. That is also possible. So here you will not find it because it does not have any attachments to index.
Hmm.
Click on security. So security is defined by this query. All right. So you can restrict the security. You saw some security related data in the search result, right? Some
Hmm.
permission list and other stuff
Yeah.
that is returned by this query. Right.
Hmm.
Click on advanced. Uh, so you usually don't touch this
Hmm.
stuff. Go to component mapping. Last page. Yeah. Global. There is no specific component, like you
Hmm.
should see it on all the pages, so there is no component defined here. If you want to restrict it to a certain component, then you can provide
Okay.
that. Yeah, that's all about search framework. Only one
Okay.
bit is pending, which is your real-time indexing. Let's configure that, and we'll close the session.
Okay.
Let's search for real-time indexing.
Okay. Now it's better. Easier, right?
Yeah,
Real time.
yeah,
Okay.
the
Real
first
time.
result.
Okay.
Yeah,
So now you don't need to go through the menu. You can just type it here.
right.
Oh.
And once you are addicted to this, you will not use the nav bar.
No, no, I'm 100% sure we don't have that available. They have Elasticsearch component server,
Mhm.
but we can't use that.
Okay.
So there must be
Now
something.
we are
Probably
right.
I can probably check it. Yeah, going through the configuration. Like I
Yes,
can
you
at
can.
least see that yes, if Elasticsearch is running or not.
Correct, correct. You can
If
do
it's
that.
running, then why is it not configured? I can even check it now.
Yes.
Okay, this is strange. Okay.
Yeah. Click on recent menu, the third item in the list,
Hmm.
and click on enable real-time indexing. There is a checkbox at the
Enable
top.
real-time indexing. Oh, this one. This
Yeah.
one.
Yes. Click there and click on save. So now you have enabled it, but to you will need to trigger you will need to run one trigger SQL to enable this completely. So from PeopleSoft you have marked it as enabled, but you have to run a trigger SQL which is generated. when you saved this. So there is a link called trigger SQL. Click on that. Yeah, click on the first. There are three tabs open. Click on the
Mm.
first one. No, not this one. Click on the first one. Just besides your PeopleSoft application, there is one tab.
Where?
In the Windows, in your tabs, click
This one?
go back. Go no. Go back to PeopleSoft application. Yeah, now go to the next tab, just besides it, your
This one?
browser tab. No,
Oh,
no,
you
no.
hit it on.
Go. Yeah. No. The one which is just next to your PeopleSoft. Yeah, that one. You need to run this SQL.
How do you run it?
This like it is generated for different types of databases.
Yeah, but
So we need to.
do you have a single server somewhere? How do you connect to? Oh, or you
You
connect
can do it.
from SQL
You
Plus?
can do it from Putty. You can do it from Putty, or you can do it from a SQL developer if you have.
Okay, okay. Okay. I don't think I've got a single developer in this machine. So we just go to the Oracle.
Go to not Oracle. You can do it from here as well.
Can you do
Uh,
from here? SQL
yeah,
Plus.
SQL Plus.
Well, how do you run it? Sysadmin?
Sysadium at the rate your database name.
Capital letter, right?
Yeah,
Sysadm.
at the rate your database name.
U. Well, no, CS90. 90,
92U 0.
90 U033.
Yeah, enter password.
Password is sysadmin password
Common.
was same, I think,
The
is it?
common. Yeah.
Common, right? CS92 123. Okay,
Okay.
now I copy that.
Go back to your browser.
This one.
Like as per my understanding, this is the only SQL that we need to execute. But let's look at the other SQLs generated. Go to the third tab. This is
Set current skill ID is sysadmin.
this. Try executing this.
Okay, so this is already sysadmin. We don't need it, right?
No, we
Um,
don't need that.
this is only one command. I think no, not one.
This,
There are many.
these are multiple commands, but you can run it together, not a problem.
Control
Copy it
C.
and paste it there. Enter.
No, it's not working.
It's not working. Let's go one by one. Control C. Enter.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Let's copy that first.
Let's go one by one.
Maybe I put it in a text file. It's easy to. It's difficult here.
Okay.
Hmm, hmm. Get another one. It's much easier like this.
Yeah. Copy the first command.
Why?
Okay. Press forward slash.
Forward slash. Um, forward slash. Now,
Enter. Enter. Invalid referencing name. Okay. Let's start with the first tab then. Let's start with the first tab. Go back to your browser.
Go back to browser. Browser this one.
This one, yeah. Go to the first tab, yeah, this one. Copy this and paste it.
Mhm. I don't know which one is that, but okay. Oh, this is only. Oh, this is we don't need this. Why is this? What is this doing there?
That is needed. That is needed.
Is it?
Just copy. Yeah, like we just did that, right? We entered forward slash and then enter. Go to putty and execute that. Enter.
Okay.
Trigger creator. Okay. Go to the second tab in the browser. Second tab. Let me first read what this is.
It's
One
Go. What
second.
is
This
it?
is
To
go if exists
Go.
isn't here. Uh,
This is like a
One
script.
second. In the first sequel, let me see the name. What that was. No, this is not related to our database actually. That's fine. Whatever we have executed, that is sufficient. Let's go back to PeopleSoft and uh, click on next in list on your top right. Yeah. Click enable real time indexing for this as well. And click on save and click on trigger sequel. Yeah, it has also generated three sequels. Go to the first tab.
I don't know which tab is what.
Yeah, this one. So copy this whole thing with the forward slash. Yeah, paste it in putty. Enter. Yeah. Now go back. Go back to your browser, PeopleSoft application, and now let's index these once again. Uh, so go to schedule index. Search for schedule index.
Go to skill index.
Search in menu.
Oh, okay.
Search for schedule index. Yeah. Search for run control ID. Click on recent menu.
So this one is added new.
That was by default. Search
Oh, is it?
reports. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on run. Run it. Click OK. So okay. Go to previous in list. Click on previous in list. Yeah. Run this as well. Yeah. Go to process monitor.
Still processing.
Yeah. Let's wait. Click on refresh. Takes around a minute to complete.
So it doesn't get refreshed. You have to do it manually.
Yeah, it gets refreshed, but
Okay.
I think in 15 or 30 seconds or something. Refresh. See how many documents were indexed for
Yeah.
recent
No.
menu.
And this there are multiple.
Yeah, because
Recent.
we had run it earlier as well, right? With the same run
Yeah.
control ID.
Okay. So this one is success.
Click
Success.
on details for recent menu. Click on view log trace. First file std out.
Okay.
Okay. Click on process. Go back to your PeopleSoft. You can close these windows which are
Yeah. I
on
think
your.
otherwise too many windows coming there. What is this one? Oh, this one we still need. Do we need
Yeah.
this? We don't. We have run it.
No, no, we don't need anything else. You can close all of that.
Okay. Return.
Return and log out and log in once again.
Okay. Now search something
Click on
again.
search. So all your recently visited items have come on top.
Hmm. Okay. If I say now enrollment,
Yeah, enrollment. So
right?
you had searched for enrollment certification earlier. That's why it
Yeah.
has come as
It's not there.
blue. No, no, it is there on the third item. If you see,
Oh, it's not on the first.
no. Search for enroll. Just search en. Yeah. Now you had searched for enrollment
Yeah.
recently. That's why it has come on top.
Oh, okay. Okay. Understood. Understood. Okay. So they're a little bit smart, not very smart.
Yeah.
Okay. No, this is good enough. But this is, I think you're right. If you start using it, nobody will. I don't think anybody will go to the nav bars,
Right.
right? Okay. So you don't need to even put the favorites and all that. It's all there.